Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So, as promised, I am back with another health related topic. So, in today's topic, we will discuss about the three major factors that affect your weight. Age. Chances are you have heard about or experienced a slight weight gain as you get older. Many place responsibility on their metabolism slowing down, and it turns out they aren't wrong. As we age, muscle starts to be replaced with fat. This results in a slower metabolism, which allows the pounds to start packing on. Many people don't realize this change in metabolism and continue to eat as they always have. This often leads to weight gain. This can become a vicious cycle as fat cells increase and replace muscle cells. Metabolism becomes even lower, increasing weight even more. Women, specifically around menopause, have a significant decrease in estrogen levels. Estradiol, a specific type of estrogen, has a significant role in metabolism. When it decreases, it changes the ratio of estrogen to testosterone in the body. This change in hormone ratio can lead to a change in fat distribution, causing fat to build up more in the abdomen area as opposed to the hips and thighs. In short, as we get older, we may notice that not only are we more prone to weight gain, but the distribution in which we gain it changes too. There is absolutely no reason to worry. This is completely normal. Simply be aware of your body and habits as you age and adjust as you see fit. Factor number 2, height. Well, many of you don't know, but your height determines your ideal weight, which is obviously different for females and males. While comparing the two genders, we will see that the ideal weight range of a female is significantly lower than that of a male, even though their heights are the same. Is your weight perfect, or are you underweight or overweight? Well, there is only one way to find. Check your height and compare it with the ideal weight range and know under which category do you fall. Factor number 3, the body type. As we know, the human body type is divided into 3 categories: ectomorph, mesomorph and endomorph. Wait, first let me tell you that all bodies are beautiful, and no matter whatever body type you have, you are beautiful as the way you are. The ectomorph is one of the 3 most common body types, characterized by a thin frame and a difficulty to gain muscle mass as well as fat. People that belong to this somatotype are usually skinny, lean, and have a high metabolic rate. This means that there is not enough stimulus for the muscles to grow. People with a mesomorph body type tend to have a medium frame. They may develop muscles easily and have more muscle than fat on their bodies. Mesomorphs are typically strong and solid, not overweight or underweight. Mesomorphs may have no trouble eating what they want to eat, as they may lose weight easily. On the flip side, they may gain weight just as readily. Those who are trying to stay trim may consider this characteristic as a disadvantage. Endomorphs are said to have a higher percentage of body fat with less muscle mass. They are often heavier and rounder, but not necessarily obese. Because of their physical makeup, people with endomorphic bodies are more sensitive to calorie consumption than people with other body types. So that is it for today, guys. So these were the 3 major factors that affects our weight. and I hope I succeeded in giving y'all a good knowledgeable session. So see you on the next video where I'll hit y'all up with another amazing factor about health and well-being. Till then, stay active, stay healthy and stay fit. Bye.